Good evening.
Good evening. Let us begin. Sit comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Let us visualize Ma Durga in front of our eyes. Let us offer our gratitude for helping us continue and complete the learning of Mahishasuramardini Stotram. Without her grace, it wouldn't have been possible. Let us begin with the invocation prayer. Bring your hands to Namaskara. All together. नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यम् विद्यां बुद्धिं च देहि मे. Let us take the blessings of Devi. Gently open your eyes. So we'll go straight to Shloka 20. So we have 20 and 21, but usually 20 is this in many books. This would have been the last verse, and you will see why this is like a nice conclusion. There is one more shloka which I've given as shloka 21, but this is usually it usually comes as shloka number 9 in some of the other texts. But whatever shloka book that I've been following, there is always 20 shlokas, and this Ayimai Deena Dayalu is the last. So we'll also learn the shloka number 21, which comes as shloka 9. You can choose to chant that as well. Okay. Ayi Mayi Deena Dayalu Taya. Ayi Mayi Deena Dayalu Taya. Kripa Yaiva. Kripa Yaiva. This is Kripa Yaiva. Tvaya. There is a half the. Tvaya. Bhavi. Bhavi Bha Mahaprana. Bhavi Tavyamume. Stress on this half V. Bhavitavyamume. Ayi Mayi Deena Dayalutaya Kripayaiva Tvaya Bhavitavyamume. Ayi Jagato Janani. Ayi Jagato Janani. Ni is Dirgha here. Janani. Kripayasi. Kripayasi. Ayi Jagato Janani. Kripayasi. Yathasi. Tha is Mahaprana. So Yathasi. Yathasi. Tatha. Tha Mahaprana. Tatha. This is an avarga chinna, so you can ignore it for chanting purpose. Tatha numitasi. Tatha numitasi rame. Tatha numitasi rame. Ayi jagato janani kripayasi yathasi tatha numitasi rame. Yaduchita yaduchita matra. Yaduchita matra bhavat. So bha mahaprana, there is a half the stress on it. Bhavat yura riku. Bhavat yura rikuruta. Bhavat yura rikuruta dhuruta There is Kuruta, Dhuruta, Pama, Pama, Pa, Kurume. Pama, Pa, Kurume. भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुता पम पा कुरु मे. जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So here in the first line, you see Ume. Ume is, we are addressing Devi as Uma, so we are like calling out to her, oh Ume. So, and in the second line, you will see Rame. Rama is also another name by which we address Devi. So these are like Sambodhana words. So we are calling out to Devi, oh dear Uma. Um, Here we are praying for her grace and compassion towards us. So Kripayaiva. So please be compassionate, Kripa, kind towards me. And here, why she has that compassion towards everybody? She is the Jagat Janani. She is the mother of this entire universe. So she has compassion, and because of her compassion, she is the mother of this universe, or you can say because she is the mother of the universe, she has compassion towards everybody. So that is why you see here Kripayaiva, you are compassionate, please be compassionate towards me. And in the second line, Kripayasi, because you are the epitome of compassion. Then here you will see in the second line, oh dear Rama, or Mother Devi is addressed here as Rama. Anumithasi, Anumithasi. So this Avargya Chinna, Avarga Chinna, you can, when you are doing the Padacheda, it becomes A. So Anumitasi. So Anumita means inferred by me. So, so far the composer Adi Shankaracharya ji has said, um, he has praised Devi in so many ways, right? So it is like we are, when we are chanting, we are praising in the same way. Whatever is being given in the shloka, we are praising. So when we praise, what we have inferred about Devi, what we have understood about Devi, that is how we are praising. So Anumita means like inferred by me. Um, Now, what we are saying is that please accept whatever I have understood, and I'm now speaking based on whatever I have spoken through chanting all these different shlokas. Please accept whatever is suitable or right. So that is what we mean by Urari Kuruta in the Bhavat Urari Kuruta. So please accept which is suitable, which is right. And then finally we say towards the end, we say, get rid of my Urutapam. So the words are combined here, but if you do a Padacheda, you will see this word Urutapam. Urutapama kurume, which means please take away all the great pain and sorrow from me. So that is the final uh, prayer through this entire Mahishasuramardini Stotram. So this is like a very beautiful conclusion, where we have seen different qualities of Devi. We have addressed Devi by different attributes, different names, different glories. And towards the end, we say, you are that epitome of compassion. Please be compassionate towards me. Please take away all my sorrows. Whatever I have said, please accept it. So that is like a very beautiful ending. Let us chant. Ayi mayi dina dayalutaya. Ayi mayi dina dayalutaya. कृपयैव त्वया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे भवितव्यमुमे कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे अयि मयि दीनदयालुतया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे अयि मयि दीनदयालुतया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे अयि जगतो जननी अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि कृपयासि अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि यथासि तथानुमितासि रमे तथानुमितासि रमे अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथानुमितासि रमे अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथानुमितासि रमे यदुचितमत्र यदुचितमत्र भवत्युररीकुरु भवत्युररीकुरु ताधुरुतापमपाकुरु मे भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुतापमपाकुरु मे. It's hard to break this long word, so try to chant in one breath. Yaduchitamatra bhavatयुररीकुरुता दुरुतापमपाकुरु मे. Jaya Jaya He Mahi. Sorry, I just lost the tune. यदुचितमत्र भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुतापमपाकुरु मे यदुचितमत्र भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुतापमपाकुरु मे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Let us chant the complete shloka together. अयि मयि दीनदयालुतया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथानुमितासि रमे यदुचितमत्र भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुतापमपाकुरु मे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So when you're chanting this third line, this long word, you can take mental, pause just a microsecond. Bhavat yurari kuruta duruta pama pa kurume. Bhavat yurari kuruta duruta pama pa kurume. That's how I've remembered chanting. So the whole sentence try to chant in one breath, but in between, for you to make sense of that long word, you can break this way. So moving to the last shloka. So again, this one you can chant in the place of shloka number 9. So when I am recording the solo chanting, I will put this after shloka number 8. Okay. Sura, Sura Lalana, Sura Lalana, Tata, Sura Lalana Tata. So there is Lala, Tata. So Sura Lalana Tata, Theyita, 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 Tha Mahaprana, Theyita, Theyita, Thabhina, Thabhina, Teyith, Teyith, Theyith, Thabhina, Yottara, Yottara. There is a half the and a full the. So stress on that half the. Yottara. Nrityarate. Nr. It is not nu. It is nr. Nrityarate. Nrityarate. Sura lala na tata. Theyita. Theyita. Thabhina. Yottara. Nrityarate. Second line. Hasa. Hasa vilasa. Hasa vilasa. Hulasa mayi. Hasa vilasa hulasa mayi. Prana. So whenever you see pra, always we stress on that ip more. So the preceding letter joins with that ip. So it will be hasa vilasa hulasa mayi prana. Okay, stress on that ip mayi prana. Tartha, pranatartha, jane, pranatartha jane, mita. This avarga chinna, ignore for chanting. Pranatartha jane, mita, prema bhare, prema bhare, mita prema bhare. Hasa vilasa hulasa mayi prana Tartha jane mita prema bhare. Dimikita, dimikita, dikkata. Dimikita, dikkata, dikkata. So this whole shloka is all about dance and music. So you will see all those words from music coming here. Dimikita, dikkata, dikkata. So this is dikkata and then dikkata. Dimi, dimikita, dikkata, dikkata, dimi, dimi, dvani, dvani, gora, mridanga, mridanga, ninadarate, mridanga, ninadarate. Dimikita, dikkata, dikkata, dimi, dvani, gora, mridanga, ninadarate. जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So here Nrityarate. So Nritya is dance. So Devi is engrossed in the dance of Sura Lalana. So here the way the celestial women, Sura refers to Devas, right? So Lalana means women. So she is like engrossed in the beauty and the dance of celestial women. So that is the first line. The second line is Hasa Vilasa. So she is like very happy, smiling, full of playful laughter. And also she is Prema Bhare. She is like full of love and compassion. How is that love and compassion? Amita. So this, whenever you see this avarga chinna, add a. So it is Amita. Amita means like immeasurable, infinite. So she has that infinite love. Bhare. Bhare means it's like full of immeasurable love and compassion, to whom pranatartha jane. So whoever is like surrendering to her, prostrating at her feet, who is like who has done sharanagati at her feet. So pranatartha jane, to those people she has immeasurable love and compassion. And then she is also engrossed in the sound. Ninada means like the sound, the huge sound that is coming from the mridanga. The sound is being described here. Dimikita dikkata dikkata dimi. Dimi dhvani. Dhvani is like the music, the sound that is coming from the mridanga. She is like engrossed in that music. So, to such Devi, we are praying to such Devi, may you be victorious, the slayer of Mahishasura, the one with beautiful locks of hair, Ramya Kapardini, daughter of Shaila, Shaila Sute, the lord of the mountains. So, that is how we are concluding this stotra. Let us chant. Suralalanathat Suralalanatat. This is normal ta. Suralalanatat. Theyitha theyitha. Theyitha theyitha. Tabhinayottara. Thabhinayottara. Nrityarate. Nrityarate. सुरललनाततथेयित थाभिनयोत्तरनृत्यरते सुरललनाततथेयित थाभिनयोत्तरनृत्यरते हासविलासहुलासमयी हासविलासहुलासमयी प्रणतार्तजनेमितप्रेमभरे प्रणतार्तजनेमितप्रेमभरे हासविलासहुलासमयि प्रणतार्तजनेमितप्रेमभरे हासविलासहुलासमयि प्रणतार्तजनेमितप्रेमभरे धिमिकिटधिक्कटधिकट धिमिकिटधिक्कटधिकट धिमिध्वनिघोरमृदङ्ग धिमिध्वनिघोरमृदङ्ग निनादरते निनादरते धिमिकिटधिक्कटधिकट धिमिध्वनिघोरमृदङ्ग निनादरते धिमिकिटधिक्कटधिकट धिमिध्वनिघोरमृदङ्ग निनादरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Let us chant the complete shloka all together. Suralalanathat, sorry. Suralalanathat थेयित थेयित थाभिनयोत्तर नृत्यरते हासविलासहुलासमयि प्रणतार्तजनेमित प्रेमभरे धिमिकिट धिक्कट धिकट धिमिध्वनि घोरमृदङ्गनिनादरते। जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So on Friday we chanted till 14. Yeah, we don't have time to chant the full shloka, full stotram. So we will do from 15 to 21. Okay. कटितटपीतदुकूलविचित्रमयूखतिरस्कृतचन्द्ररुचे प्रणतसुरासुरमौलिमणिस्फुर धंशूलसन्नखचन्द्ररुचे जितकनकाचलमौलिमदोर्जित निर्जरकुञ्जरकुम्भकुचे। जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। विजितसहस्रकरैकसहस्रकरैकनुते कृतसुरतारक संगरतारक संगरतारक सूनुसुते। सुरथ समाधि समान समाधि 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 सुजातरते। जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। पदकमलं करुणानिलये वरिवस्यति योऽनुदिनं सुशिवे। अयि कमले कमलानिलये कमलानिलयः स कथं न भवेत्। तव पदमेव परं पदमित्यनुशीलयतो मम किं न शिवे। जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। कनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनु सिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम्। भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भ तटीपरिरम्भसुखानुभवम्। तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि नथामरवाणि निवासि शिवम्। जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदनेन्दुमलं सकलं ननुकूलयते। किमु पुरुहूतपुरीन्दुमुखी सुमुखीभिरसौ विमुखीक्रियते। मम तु मतं शिवनामदने भवती कृपया किमुत क्रियते। जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। अयि मयि दीनदयालुतया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे। अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथानुमितासि रमे। यदुचितमत्र भवत्प्रसादात् कुरुता दुरुता पमका पमपा कुरु मे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरललनाथ तथेयि तथेयि तथाभिनयोत्तर नृत्यरते हासविलासहुलासमयि प्रणतार्तजने मितप्रेम भरे धिमिकिटधिकटधिकटदिमिध्वनि घोरमृदङ्ग निनादरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Let us all commit to practicing this stotram and get comfortable with the pronunciation. Let us also make a sankalpa to chant the stotram during the upcoming Navratri with full devotion and confidence in chanting. Let us conclude with the closing prayer one last time. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Let us take the blessings of Devi. Thank you. I'm so happy that you were all consistent in attending most of the sessions. So it is very rare to be consistent at something. I understand the challenges, but somehow you all made it through. So we will again meet in another Stotra chanting session sometime in October. So next couple of months I'll be busy with my exam preparations. So next 2 months there will not be any Stotra or Shloka classes. We will again resume from October onwards. Thank you. If you have any doubts or questions regarding this, please feel free to message me. Or if you want to record and share it, that is also fine. I can listen to your recording, and if there are any changes, I can also suggest the same.
Thank you, Anuji.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you all.